Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to reset an employee report in QuickBooks so you can quickly restore it back to the default view. First, log into your QuickBooks online account using your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Employees tab. Select the employee whose report you want to reset. On their profile page, click the Actions button at the top right and choose Run Report. When the report opens, look for the small gear icon to access report settings. From there, click Reorder Columns. If you've previously changed the layout, you'll see a Reset to Default button. Clicking this will return the report columns to their original order. And that's it. You've successfully reset your employee report in QuickBooks. It's a simple step that saves time and keeps your reports consistent across employees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.